Forget sniper rifles. Holding in a sneeze can turn your eyeballs into armor-piercing rounds. When you block the air's exit, internal pressure can exceed 500 pounds per square inch, 20 times more than a pressure cooker. Your optic nerves act as a biological railgun, accelerating your eye to Mach 1 in milliseconds. If you're a warden in an Iranian prison, a sneeze is more dangerous than a hidden ship. Suppressed sneezes can easily shut you down. Of course, if you don't want to be a pirate and have no need to use your eyeballs as weapons, sneezing normally is your best bet.